Hi all, today we'll learn how to download Maven software and then how to configure the Maven environment setup. First we will go through the process of downloading the Maven software. So for downloading the Maven software, we need to go to Google Chrome here and then here you can see Maven. We can type like Maven software download. When you type this one, click on enter, we can see here download Apache Maven. You just need to click on this one. It will go to here, and then here if you see here under the download section is there. Under the download section by default it come to download section. If you see under the download section, they are given like system requirements. For any software if you want to install, it required minimum system requirements. Those requirements are, for in order to work with Maven software, we need a JDK software to be, we need to install JDK software in our system. For this one, the minimum requirement is currently we are going to install 3.9.7 Maven version. For this one we need JDK 8 or above. Okay, this is the first requirement. And then the second one is memory. No minimum requirement, there is no memory requirement here. And the disk is nothing but the where is our hard disk here. If you see here, this is our hard disk, these are hard disks, right? In the same way, wait, yeah, in the same way we can see this is our hard disk here. I mean this disk requirement is we need maximum 10 MB. 10 MB means generally any system will have 10 MB. And then so this is our main requirements. Once that is satisfied, before that one we just need to check whether JDK is installed or not. For that one you just open one command prompt, type cmd here. It will open on command prompt. Whether Java is installed or not, we need to check. And what is the version of Java. For that one we need to use one command, java version. When you use java-version command, it is giving like Java version is currently 1.8.0.202. That means the Java is installed in this machine. So we can happily download, we can happily install the Maven software. So our prerequisite is satisfied. Then here system requirements are satisfied. Then where is the download file? Here you can see under the file section, they have given two types of files here. One is, these first two are binary files, the next two are source files. Source files are nothing but the, if the source files are nothing but code only. For example, if you're a Java person, Java code will be extended with .java. This is nothing but the, all the .java files are called as source files. Okay, and then binary files are nothing but the, all the .class files. Once after compilation is done, whatever the .java files are there, those .java files will be converted into .class files. These .class files are called as binary files. So we need to use binary files for installing our software. So here you can see again in binary files we are having two types. One is tar.gz archive is there, one is zip archive is there. Tar.gz archive is mainly for the uh, tar.gz files are Linux based operation system, Linux OS. And then if you see here, zip archive is there. These zip files are meant for Windows OS. Okay, so now in this system is using Windows operating system. So I am going to download this Windows binary zip archive. So this is the link. You just need to click on this one. When you click on this one, it's downloaded already. Then you just open this one. Okay, and then you just cut this one and go to your specified location. You can see text space here, you can paste here, and then we need to extract this one. The extracting to extract any software, we need to have a 7-zip software installed in our local machine. So you just click on this one, extract to this location. This extraction is done. You just need to go to this folder here, and then you can see Apache Maven here, and then you can see here we're having so many folders. Bin is there, boot folder is there, config folder is there, lib is there, some license is there, readme text file is there. So we just downloaded the Apache Maven software, but it will not work. So for this one, we need to do some environment configurations. Let's see whether it is working or not after downloading the software. To check whether Maven is installed or not, we need to use some command like maven-version. See, it is saying like Maven is a not recognized as internal external command. That means it is just we just installed, but we did not configure the environment setup, environment variables. So for that one, we need to do we need to configure two things here. One is Maven underscore home, and then one more is path. These two environment variables we need to set, then only this Maven will work. So for setting these two environment variables, we need to identify what is the Maven home, what is the path. So here, just go here, under here, already I guess I have opened this one. Yeah, this is the whatever the path is there, right? This entire path is nothing but the Maven home here. This entire path is the Maven home, and then in similar way, whatever is there inside bin, right? This entire bin is nothing but the, sorry, until here Maven home, and then path is nothing but the whatever the uh, is there till the bin. These two things we need to set up for the environment variables. To go for the environment variables, we need to set like environment variables. So here again you can see two variables. One is system environment variables and user account environment variables. System environment variables means if you add anything under the system environment variables, that is applicable for the all the users. But if you add it anything under the variable for your account, means only that particular user can use that software. If any other user is trying to log in our system, right, that user cannot use our software. So for that one, so I just want to make whatever the software is there, that software is need to be available for the all the users who are going to use my system. So I want to go for the system variables here. Just click this one, it will open, and then click on environment variables. See, you can see user variable for user, system variables. This is for specific users. Whatever you are seeing, right? The first one, specific user. The second one is entire system. Under here, I just want to uh, Maven home. Let's see, is there any Maven home setup is there? Maven underscore home environment variable is there or not? Check once. I don't think we're having. Yeah, we don't have any Maven underscore home variable. So we just click on new one, then go here, copy this one, the first part, Maven underscore home. You just need to click this one, okay, and come here, paste here. This is one, and then come here. From here, this entire path we need to copy, because this is here, this is available here, right? You just go here and paste here, control V. I think it's copied. Then click OK. So now we are having Maven home. In the similar way, we need to have path variable, but if you see, the path is already existed. If any environment variable is already existed, right, we should not create a new environment variable. We just need to edit that environment variable. Click on edit here, and then here you can see new option is there. Here, go to here and copy entire thing here, and then copy this one, come here and click here and paste here. This is done. Then click OK. Once this is done, you just click OK. Then click OK. Now come here. Whether Maven environment setup is done. then we need to check whether Maven is working or not. Similarly, whatever command we have executed earlier, right, same command we need to try Maven hyphen version here. See, still after doing the environment setup also, still we are getting MVN is not a recognized as internal external command. The problem is with command prompt. Once after setting up the environment variables, we need to open new command prompt. That's why I just want to, okay, I will open new command prompt here. I will show you the difference now. Now type MVN hyphen version here. Click on now. See, it is showing like Apache Maven. What version of Maven we are using? 3.9.7. This is the version of Maven we are using. You can see Maven underscore home. It is pointing to the workspace Apache. Whatever we have configured inside environment variable, that location it is giving. Okay. So the problem is with environment with the command prompt. So after doing the environment setup, we need to open new command prompt and then we need to search for Maven version. So with this Maven environment, Maven, how to download the Maven software is completed, and then how to set up the Maven environment is completed. Thank you.